Maybe I am an angry elf.
No, you're a softball elf.
Look at me go. I've been texting girls.
Ooh.
But what is autism like? My name's Kevin and welcome to the kitchen.
Crispy King Cakes and Conversations, starring my friend Kevin. Today we're going to make a football, put it on some grass. It's going to be an incredible Rice Krispie cake. You're going to love it, and we'll see you in the kitchen.
My name is Kevin Cormier. I am from Sharpsburg, Georgia. I work at Trinity Christian School with our custodians, and I help coach Trinity football with Coach Dallas.
Is this better?
This is better.
Man, this feels right. This feels right.
You look a lot taller too.
Yeah, well, don't get used to it.
Yes.
I play the drums at home. I love to shoot basketball hoops, swim and bowl, play cornhole, ride bikes, go for walks in our neighborhood.
How you feeling about making a Rice Krispie cake? Ever made one?
The first time making it.
You a little uncomfortable like that first time slow dancing with a girl?
No. I'm not shy.
This guy's got this. He ain't scared. Do you have a girlfriend?
No, sir. I've been texting girls. Like,
you don't want to go listening to all their names at the same time. This video might be the end of you, though. I post all that. Your texting career might be over. We're so excited that you guys are with us here at Cakes and Conversations. We'd love for you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell so that you don't miss anything we're doing. And anytime along the way that you like something Kevin says, hit that like button, and will you leave him a comment below, because he's going to want to hear from you guys later on. First thing you're going to need is your mixing bowl. We're going to make a giant batch of brown first. So Kevin, here's our butter. We need 4 tablespoons of butter.
Ooh, 4.
Yep, you got a knife there.
Do I open it?
You can. Most people don't until they cut it. This will tell you 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4. It gives you the line for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each stick has 8 tablespoons. And we just need 4, so where are you going to cut it?
Oh, on that line.
That's 1, but how many do we need?
2, 3, 4.
Booyah. Cut that right there, baby.
So, oh, right there?
Yeah, right there. We're going to use all that butter. The key to a great Rice Krispie treat, great Rice Krispies cake, is butter. You've got to appreciate the butter. Beautiful. Do you want to dump those marshmallows in?
Just dump it like a Super Bowl shower.
Dump it like a Super Bowl shower, yes. That would be awesome if at any point during this we just dumped a massive amount of marshmallows on it. That would be awesome. Your favorite dancing song?
oh, favorite one to dance to?
Yeah.
The Koopa Shuffle. Look at me go.
All right, so we've melted it, and now what we want to do, Kevin, is we want to put in brown food coloring. So you want to open that up and drop in. How many drops do you think we ought to have in there to make that the football brown?
Oh, 10.
10, right? 10, that's your show. Now when you squeeze it, if you don't go carefully, you just need to be real careful. It's going to squirt out about 10 at once, but that's fine. It's your show. That's I think we're good. I feel like that's a good 10. We've got 10 plus drops in there. And so once you go ahead and stir this up, we want to make sure every bit of marshmallow is covered. Go ahead, man, it's your show. You can hold it up high because it might be a little warm on the bottom. Yeah. And you want to stir this as much as you possibly can. You like that, huh?
I do.
You do like that. Yeah, it's going to be dark brown.
Oh,
dark brown.
Like a football.
Yeah, this is going to be like a football on a muddy Friday night.
I help coach our football team with Coach Kenny Dallas. I work at Trinity Christian School with our custodians. We vacuum, we clean windows, we sweep steps, we take out the trashes, we clean the restrooms, and sweep the hallways.
Which job are you best at?
Cleaning the windows, Windex, doing the spongy thing, squeegee. I dry it with a paper towel.
Here it goes. Ooh.
Keep going, baby. I like the sound effects you got working there, too.
Yeah.
We'll start with that. That's good right
Sounds
there.
like kind of like sleep.
It does sound like sleep coming down. That's good right there.
We're kind of like Buddy the Elf, kind of.
We are kind of like Buddy the Elf. What does he eat? Is spaghetti something? What does he make? Do you remember?
Spaghetti with maple syrup, chocolate, crunch it up like this, and put some, what's it called, Skittles,
Oh yeah?
and squirt some syrup, and eat it.
Yes!
You kind of remind me of Miles Finch from
Miles Finch from what?
from
Elf?
Buddy the Elf.
You call me that one more time. Maybe I am an angry elf.
No, you're a South Pole elf.
Welcome to Krispy King.
That's right.
Welcome to Krispy King. How do you make friends? What do you do?
This showed the love of Christ. That's the way that I make friends. I walk over and ask them what their names are, and then I tell them my name. I sit down with them and eat with them at lunch and ask how their days are going. I am really good at making lots of friends there.
You want to try it?
Ooh.
Test it out, see what you think. Sound effects.
Oh, that looks awesome.
Does that look like the football you wanted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Kevin, let's throw in some marshmallows right here. We're actually using the Jet Puff S'mores marshmallows today. If you just figure out what the ounces are, it doesn't matter what shape they are because they're all going to be delicious.
Do I use my hands?
Wait, what else you going to use? Now get your hands in there. Get your hands in there. Don't make me be an angry elf. Don't do that.
I want that. Ooh. Let's see here. And tell me when.
Oh yeah, I got you. We don't need more than that. Or it's just gonna be like a big marshmallow. Keep on going.
Alright.
That's quite good right there.
Oh yeah, that's fantastic.
That is.
Ooh, it's like the North Pole, kinda.
How is that like the North Pole?
I don't know. It's kinda different, right?
I've never been there because I'm a South Pole elf.
Maybe we should give Will Ferrell a call.
Yeah, we'll give Will Ferrell a call. Thanks, Will.
And Will Ferrell can give you an elf suit. And an elf hat.
Gonna get an elf suit and an elf hat.
Yeah.
Hey, we also want to thank y'all for watching Kevin. This will probably be his last time in the kitchen.
Silly Mr. Andy.
Love hanging out with our sweet niece Reagan.
What's the best part about being an uncle?
Just loving on a baby. A good uncle would be like holding her and watching movies with her, feeding her, and all of those kinds of things. I want to teach her how to play the drums.
All right, Kev. That's you, baby.
Oh man.
Party on. Somebody got to work in the kitchen. It's the job of the elf. You don't know how Santa gets big? Like this. Let's add a little bit of green.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. How much we gonna add in? How many drops you think?
About this much.
That's perfect. I feel good about that. What other movies do you like?
Oh, the Polar Express.
Oh, love Polar Express. What else?
Ooh, Santa Claus 1, 2, and 3.
Do you like any movie that's not Christmas? Because I feel like you've kind of trapped me into a character right now, and I was just trying to get out of that. Any other kind of movie?
Wait, no more Santas. I went to a training program at Goodwill, and I did job training there. They teach me how to clean the restrooms, vacuum, clean windows, count money, and to sort clothes and everything like that. And they also took us on field trips to all kinds of jobs. Ooh, oh yeah. You know Santa will like this.
Yeah, Santa's gonna love it. You know what the elf gets? To wash the dishes.
That's right.
That's right. Gonna close up the Rice Krispie box. Gonna make a little grass right here.
That's right.
Hey, get a little butter on your hands, and let's pat this down.
Another butter.
Like this.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Santa's gonna stick to your hand. I tell you right now. How you doing it?
Oh.
You get more butter when you need it.
What? Santa loves this.
Santa loves it because he's about to lick his fingers and then touch it again. Note to self, I ain't eating the grass.
Oh no.
But get more butter on your hands. What are you doing? Just shake it off. We're going to welcome you to what we like to call the King's Games. So Kevin, I'm going to toss 5 marshmallows to you right now, and we're going to see how many you can catch in your mouth. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Hey, welcome to the King's Games.
Welcome.
Oh, not that one. This guy's a champion. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
That's right.
Do you have a disability?
Sometimes I struggle on focusing on doing things, but sometimes I do good. Sometimes I struggle, which is okay.
Can you tell me about autism?
Autism. Autism is, I don't know. What is autism like?
Has anyone ever told you that you have been diagnosed with autism?
Mom did. Mom and Dad told me I was diagnosed with autism. I'm wondering what autism means.
Gosh, what a great question. I think autism, there's a few different definitions for it. One of them is that God created you with a special mind.
Wow.
And He gave you some talents and gifts that He did not give everyone.
Wow.
And how you think is a little bit different than how some other people think. When you hear that, what do you think?
I just think it's awesome how I am with autism. I just think autism is an awesome thing for me.
All right, so now let's put the football onto the field. So you want to kind of pick that up if you can. And you want to move it over here and put it right in the middle.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but you like it?
I like it.
Well, that's all that matters. It's your cake. Press all the way down. Drag it straight. Mm-hmm. There you go. Uh-huh. Great. Okay. All right, go ahead and put that stripe on.
Right.
What do you think? Yeah. That looks great. However you want to do it.
Ooh.
Like it. Okay, so now what are we missing?
Oh, the line
Yeah.
for the laces.
That's right. So let's go ahead and do that. You're going to put that down the middle.
Is it this way?
Yeah, I think that'll be part of the stripes.
Oh.
No, yeah. The long one goes that way. Those are the long one.
Ooh.
That's great, man.
Well, I'm really good at cooking pizza. I mow the lawn. I put away the dishes. I vacuum. And I also clean my restroom, the sink counter, and toilet, and shower. And make sure everything's clean.
Do you work off a list when you do that, or do you just know what to do?
I just know it in my smart mind.
Let's cut some stripes. So maybe some little lines like, you could do 6 lines like this, really thin like that. Can you do that? I'll show you the first one, and then you do the rest.
I would like to play the drums at Trinity Church, at our church at Trinity someday. I would like to be on stage at church playing the drums.
What would that mean to you if you got asked to do that?
Oh, I'd be glad to do it.
Look at that football, man.
Oh, that looks awesome.
That does look awesome.
Because I coach Trinity football, I decided to make a Trinity logo football.
Oh yeah. This guy didn't just make a football and put it on the grass. He put a Trinity T on this football.
My mom and dad's so crazy about me, and I'm so crazy about them, so my family's awesome.
We believe every creation is beautiful and everyone deserves to be treated like royalty, so let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.
I'll see you in the kitchen.
Dang it, I forgot one other thing. Kevin! Kevin! Hey, if you enjoyed being in the kitchen with us today and enjoyed getting to know Kevin, if you hit the thumb right below, that's the like button, because when you hit it, it tells other people they ought to be watching and they get a chance to hang out with Kevin. Also, click the subscribe button so you don't miss another Cakes and Conversation. And especially, would you leave a comment below? Because when you leave a comment, Kevin gets to hear from you. Let him know what you think about his cake. If you want to see more Cakes and Conversations, check out the videos over to the side, because there's more we've done in the past and more coming your way. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with us.